Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering your IPTV, starting with adding favorites. Today, we're diving straight into IPTV Smarters Pro, simplifying how you add favorites instantly. First, launch the IPTV Smarters Pro app and head to your channel list prompt. Now, scroll through and find a channel you can't live without, maybe a top sports channel. With your chosen channel highlighted, notice a star icon you can interact with. Tap the star icon to add this channel to your favorites list. It's that simple. Next, navigate to your favorites section where your must-watch channels reside. Accessing these channels is now a breeze. They're all in one convenient location. Jump into any channel and start streaming immediately, hassle-free viewing at your fingertips. Need more amazing channels? Visit 2tv.store, the top-rated IPTV provider available. Simply visit their site and discover a vast selection of channels to add next. Don't just settle. Elevate your IPTV experience with quality and variety like never before. With smart choices and a click, enjoy an unparalleled viewing experience instantly. Remember, organizing favorites isn't just about preference. It's about convenience. Unlock your IPTV's full potential and never miss out on what's vital to you. Follow these steps and enjoy TV time like never before. Subscribe for more tips.